एंड उनके बाजू में हमारे साथ है दिनेश निगम।
एक्चुअली इवन इन द मूवी यू नो करिश्मा जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है वो एक्चुअली एक डॉग को अडॉप्ट करते हैं।
ओके।
एंड दैट डॉग हुज जेरी इन द मूवी इज अ वेरी इंटेग्रल पार्ट एंड जहाँ भी डीनो और करिश्मा जाते हैं जेरी उनके साथ जाता है।
ओके।
एंड सो आई थिंक you know because we felt so strongly towards it and we just felt that this is something that we should spread and people should do it,
right?
You know, because we have a lot of strays in our country,
right?
And they're so cute, very cute. Why would we not want to take one of these dogs home? Actually हम लोग का जो shooting process था वो you know 6 months के लिए चलता गया and the first जो ट्रेलर में भी दिखाया है जो एक सीन है जहाँ यू नो वेदांत चर्च गेट स्टेशन उसमें वी रिवील द डॉग और वो हमने मई में शूट किया था और जब तक हम दूसरे पोर्शन शूट करने गए अक्टूबर हो गया था और वो पप्पी एक्चुअली पप्पी रहा नहीं बढ़ गया तो वी हैड टू गेट अनदर डॉग एंड द पप्पी वाज taken and given to a lovely family and we had to get another dog but क्या करें यार बढ़ जाते हैं इतनी जल्दी।
This film लेकर हम दीवाना दिल is basically a journey. तो ये इस journey में Jerry is with us.
Okay.
And it's a very important part of this film and important part of our characters. Or as I mean, animals aren't animals; they're human beings. So for me, dogs are human beings. All animals are human beings. Or they're as emotional as us.
Right.
तो initially इस film में मैं प्यार नहीं देता हूँ dog को. But that's my character.
Okay.
I love dogs. But eventually, I mean, I take a liking towards it.
Right, right.
And in the film, we lose it, and it's very emotional for us in the film. So, from a real situation, I'm telling you, कि फर्क नहीं है. A dog is a dog. I said it's a human being.
Right.
So, there's no difference. I think it's as adorable and as cute.
Right.
Firstly, I think पहले चीज तो जो ये cause है. I had a dog. He's not there anymore, and his name was Caesar. And I think जितना प्यार आपको you know एक डॉग दे सकता है जो आपके पेट्स है उतना आपको कभी नहीं मिल सकता. You go home and वो होते हैं and they're there and they're just so affectionate. And just recently I read something which was very beautiful that there was a dog who was going to pass away और एक 6 साल का बच्चा था और you know उनके पेरेंट्स बहुत घबरा गए कि अरे लाइक उस 6 साल के बच्चे पर क्या असर होगा कि उनके जो पपी डॉग है वो you know he's going to pass. पपी नहीं माने he had grown up, he was going to pass away. And that 6-year boy, I think it's the most like मैंने ऐसा कभी सुना नहीं लाइफ में. I think he was so smart. The 6-year-old boy said, जो dogs होते हैं, वो जब पैदा ही होते हैं, they know how to love and they give you so much love. That's why they go faster. But human beings are always learning how to love. That's why our lives are longer. So these pets that are so lovable, that are born to love us and are born to you know care for us, we need to care for them as well. So please adopt a dog and be a hero.
So I think she said everything. As I believe dogs are human beings, and even human beings sometimes behave like animals. We love, we hate, but dogs don't know how to hate. They really love, and I think they're more sensitive than human beings. Or I don't have much to say, but just adopt a dog. You don't need a reason to adopt a dog. It's you should be privileged. You should be honored to adopt a dog. So go for it. I don't think fighting is part of life. I think fighting means love. Fighting means you actually, because you care about someone, you fight.
Right.
So it comes from a emotion of loving, and yeah, just it comes from emotion of love. So matlab is a part of life. I'm not physically. I don't agree. Physically hurting someone. हर God, I believe in all gods. और दूसरी बात तो झगड़ा करना I think is very normal, and fighting is a very normal thing. And if it's done with love, affection, and there's no animosity, and you're not tearing people apart and killing someone, then it's okay to fight. Otherwise, fighting is completely wrong at all. Taking God's name or not taking God's name.
मेरा जो विश्वास है ये है कि I think that there's no I don't believe in different types of religions. I believe that we were made to love and to receive love. And अगर आप you know भगवद गीता पढ़े, कुरान, everyone's only talking about that. जो ये division हुआ है religion के basis पर, वो हम लोगों ने, इंसानों ने किया है. So I think that we need to be more humanitarian and you know not fight on the basis of religion. And yeah, we're here as you know we're all here to just live a life. We have one life and to love each other. So please don't fight. Because religion's meant to unite, not to divide. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. I think I think that if I'm lucky enough to get married, तो you know as we say in India, पति परमेश्वर होता है. तो बिल्कुल कुत्ते के I'm not going to compare him. पति परमेश्वर ही होता है.
एक्चुअली हस्बैंड को डॉग मानेंगे तो आई थिंक इट्स अ डॉग इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. आजकल लोग जो है ना डॉग और एनिमल को एक नेगेटिव तरह से मानते हैं. दे कॉल यू एन एनिमल और दे कॉल यू अ डॉग. They should say you're a dog with love and say you're a beautiful dog. I think dog is stronger than a human being. So adopt a dog and call all your husbands, wives, dogs and not the female version of it.
Bring it on, Johnny man.